welcome back to the Trading Lab. I'm your host DK. So today I'm going to talk to you guys about XRP. I know XRP has been shaking and beating a lot of people's heart. A lot of people have been getting scared. They don't know what's going on. They don't know what's happening. But like I was telling you before from the last video, and I'm going to tell you guys now, it's an uptrend. A crazy move was made last night around, I think it was around 5 p.m. Don't quote me on that. But you can see like the support levels that I told all of you guys to be marking up, and of course if price breaks past that, then you should be apprehensive and getting alarmed about, probably kind of like getting out of position and waiting for price to get a bit cheaper. But a lot of people's stop loss been getting hit anyways, and of course liquidity has been taken out of the market. So I just really want to show you guys a few things that I've been looking at with XRP. So now have a look at this structure right now, yeah? So we're in a 4 hours time frame and we can see there's like, we can see the lows, right? So when I told you guys about marking up a certain support levels, so I'm going to delete all of this. So I'm going to show you guys everything from scratch. Of course, if you're new to this channel, your first time coming into my channel, make sure you subscribe so you get more contents like this, so you're up to date with what's going on in the market, especially if you're like a new investor and you're invested in XRP. Majority of the time I like to put up some videos about XRP, what's going on in the market. I don't talk too much about the new stuff. Of course, there's channels and YouTubes that you can find out so many stuff about the news. I only look at price action, exactly what price is doing when I'm talking about the chart. So I'm gonna mark this bit over here. So like I said, guys, this will always be the support that I'm always gonna be looking at. So that support level is around like $2, below $2 to 190, right? Notice that every time when prices coming around this level is always bouncing back up, and it's done the same thing over here as well. So that's a clear indication that we've got a strong buyers at this key level over here. So so for some people that's missed this move, if you see price come back down to this level, then you can of course reload on the bag. But majority of the time, you don't want to chase the price, you want to wait and see what happens. So around this level was the level that was been on from like, December times, right? So over here, this level over here around $2.66. We've been around this level around this December times. So if I go on a day time frame, you can see exactly what's happening in a day time frame. Of course, there's going to be a little bit of correction. We want to see how far the correction comes to, and then we can see where the low stops to, and then accordingly you can add from that as well. So looking at it from the day time frame. Now, if I was going to mark up the whole chart from a day time frame, my support level will be over here. But of course, on a 4 hours time frame is what I'll be usually looking at. So I'm not going to mark that from a day time frame. We're going to go into just 4 hours so you can see how price has been bouncing back, rejecting from this key level over here. So this demand zone area over here, you can see that price has just been rejecting and been going up. So obviously that's a clear indication for everyone that's actually watching this video that it's an uptrend. We go on a 1 week time frame, so we can see what's going on in a 1 week time frame. That's, as you can see, this over here in a 1 week time frame, this is a nice little support area over here. If I was going to mark up a 1 week time frame, this would be a nice little support over here. You can see that's been rejecting it and price is going back up. So like, watching the charts, right, and you want to see exactly where price is going, especially if you're like a long time holder and you want to see exactly what price is going. Don't just look at like the 1 hour time frame or 4 hours time frame or year time frame or whatever, because some of you guys don't know what you're doing in terms of like when you're looking at charts. So the first things you see in the chart is what you're trying to go by. Break it down, go by the week, month, day, 4 hours, 1 hour. Subscribe to the channels if you don't know about how to do all of that. I teach that on my channel as well, and I show you guys how to do that all the time whenever I'm uploading a video like this. But you can see like on a 1 week time frame, you can see that is an uptrend. The reason why I can see the uptrend happening, because you can see that the lows are not getting broken, but the highs are getting broken. So you can see it from here. You can see the structure, how everything's moving upwards, sideways. So it's nothing to be alarmed of. So like I said to you guys in my last video, like when you see price, when you see price dropping low like over here, this is just to shake more people out of the market, get a lot of people out of the market before price makes that big move to go to the next key level, But yeah, listen, guys, I love you guys and leave you guys. But this is just a short video for XRP, just to let you know that, of course, we're still in the uptrend. And, you know, if you're part of those people that got off the trade early because you saw this big candlestick coming down on February, this was February when this happened, February the 2nd. You know, a lot of people got kicked out of the market, stop loss been hit, a lot of people have been full leveraging. But if you're just investing and your money management skill is on point, you're not full leveraging, you're just investing properly, you don't have to worry. When you see price come down, if you have some money, invest some more. But yeah, guys, if you're new to the channel, like I said, make sure you subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Stay blessed, DK. Peace.